Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you how to make money on Amazon KDP without actually writing the book yourself. So first of all, when you join the Amazon KDP, first thing that you want to do is you want to find a keyword, and for that you can watch some of our other videos on how to do keyword research on Amazon KDP. However, once you find the keyword, for example, as you can see right here, I have a keyword. It's called books for boys 8 to 10. So these are all the books for boys from 8 to 10 years old. And as you can see, these are just some of the books right here. Now, this is my keyword, right? So once I have a keyword, I will know, okay, so I need to actually hire someone to, write a book for me. Now, again, you cannot go into Amazon KDP without actually writing the book. Someone actually has to do it. While that's not you, it can be AI, or you can hire someone to do it. So for example, if I have a books for boys 8 to 10, I already know what I want to sell and I already know a headline for my book. I can go into ChatGPT. That's one example. I can go into ChatGPT and I can let ChatGPT write a book chapter by chapter. Now that's what I can do. However, a better way would be to go on Fiverr and to find someone that would write books for you. So for example, if I go here and if I click book writing, I can go here and scroll down. I will write fun children's books. As you can see, I can click on this person and I can hire this person to write a basic book, which is $285, or a standard book, which is around $305. Now keep in mind, there are more cheaper options. If you want to go for cheaper options, you can always visit ChatGPT. You know, if you go with ChatGPT, you will need to go through the chapters. So if you want to go, for example, with a book from around 5 to 10 chapters, you can write a prompt for each chapter. So for example, first chapter, can be something. You can write a prompt to ChatGPT about first chapter, make sure it's specific, and then, obviously, you will be able to write, or ChatGPT will be able to write that first chapter for you. Now, keep in mind again that you can make money on Amazon KDP without writing, but you have to be creative, right? Either you're going to go and hire someone that will write a book for you, or you will go and hire AI or ChatGPT to write a book for you. So those are two different ways that I would go through to basically make money on Amazon KDP without writing. If you want to know how to position yourself on Amazon KDP on an Amazon search, you can visit our tutorial on free Amazon KDP keyword research tool. However, that's pretty much it for this video. It's a short and concise video, just going over the ways how you can hire someone, or the ways that you can make money on KDP without actually writing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you find it useful, and we'll see you in the next video.